Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to view a private Instagram account without following. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Go to your Instagram profile, and in the profile section, you can see there are a lot of private accounts that's been showing for discovering people. So if you wanna discover and go to a people's ID that is private and you want to see their private account, just head over and all you can do is give them a follow, and if they accept your request, then you will be able to see their private account. And if the private account is yours, then you must log in with it with your password, valid password that is. And if you have already forgotten that password, Instagram has a policy so that you can reset your password by clicking on the forgot password option, and there you will be able to reset your password of your account again, and you will get to enter your personal account again. And that's it. This is how you can view private Instagram account without following. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.